How to make OneDrive start automatically on Bootup. So guys, if you're tired of having your OneDrive not starting when you log into your system, right, you enable your PIN or maybe use your password, you log in, you expect it to be here, just like I have it on the bottom right, but it's not here. So let's fix this, guys. So there are a few very easy ways to fix this actually. So firstly, guys, you need to check if in the settings of the app itself, you have that function enabled. So click on the OneDrive personal tray icon right here, go to settings, and then press settings again. Then you go to sync and backup, scroll all the way down, expand this advanced settings, and make sure if you have here start at startup button, make sure that you enable it here. Okay, if you actually did enable it here, but it still won't start, we need to go ahead and check our system settings in the startup section and figure out if it's disabled there, because that's very important. So open up your settings right here. After that, guys, you need to navigate to system, or just, use a search, startup here. Okay, go to the first tile, startup apps. And as you can see, OneDrive in my case is disabled. So if you have it disabled like me, that was the cause. Make sure to just enable it here. And then, guys, last trick I will show you. Press on Windows R, you'll have this run window open. In here, type in shell equals startup. Press enter. And you will get this window open. In here, just take your OneDrive. For example, you have OneDrive link, right, shortcut on your desktop here. You just grab it with your mouse, move it here, and any app in here that you paste the shortcut from will start up automatically the next time you start your system. So that is it. These are the fixes, guys. If any of them helped, leave us a comment so that we know. Otherwise, enjoy and thanks for watching.